What's going on, guys? My name's Peyton. I'm the fabrication manager here at TOPO Motorsports. We're located here in Amarillo, Texas, just down the road from the world famous Big Texan. And I'm here to walk you through our 2024 RZR build. This is one of our designs for the 2024 RZR. This particular front bumper requires no modification to bolt on. It's direct bolt on. It can be powder coated in any color that Prismatic Powders offers. This particular bumper has our company logo on it and two mounts for light pods. We can put whatever logo you want, your company logo, design, you name it, we'll do it. This windshield is our basic vented option. We do many different designs for the vents. This one in particular has big hexagons and our company logo in it. All of our glass is laminated safety glass, 1/4 inch thick. We cut all of our glass in-house as well as the frames. We do offer other versions of this, which is an electric flip-up windshield and then a gas shock flip-up windshield. This is just our basic one. I guess we would call these rock sliders. These provide just protection for the underside of the vehicle. They don't actually kick you off a tree or anything. Polaris actually changed their design on how they mount these rock sliders, which is a massive upgrade because they used to use expanding bolts in here, but now they use through bolts, so it's much stronger and much better. Just like the front bumper, our rear bumper is direct bolt-on, requires no modifications to the vehicle, super easy to install. Just like everything else, pick your color, any color on Prismatic Powders website we can do. Moving on to the cage, definitely the biggest part of the vehicle. This one has many of the options that we offer here at TOPO Motorsports. We have grab handles on all 4 of the doors, Rockford Fosgate audio roof, 5150 whips with their whip mounts, some chase lights, our spare tire rack, and threaded in mirror mounts and rear view. Well, if you made it to this far in the video, I greatly appreciate it. We have many more builds like this in store for 2024. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Oh yeah, website and product links in the description.